Hello and welcome to another quick fix video. Today we're going to look at the RB67, specifically how to remove a stuck lens. Normally, to remove the lens, the body needs to be cocked. If for some reason you can't cock the body, you're not going to get the lens off. But fear not, Mamiya actually thought about this problem ahead of time. On the top right corner of the front cover, there's a small hole underneath the leatherette that gives access to the lens lock. The procedure to get to this hole is a little technical and requires some patience, but if you take it slow and follow along, you'll have your lens off in no time. Mamiya built this lens lock access into the RB67 Pro, the Pro S, and the Pro SD. So you might be wondering, will this work on the RZ67? And the answer is no. This particular procedure will not work on the RZ, but there is a similar method that does. So make sure to check out our other video on that topic. I'll link it in the description. So what tools are you going to need? A small flathead screwdriver, a large paper clip that we will use to probe for the lens lock release. Pliobond is a good choice because it can be removed. Don't use any permanent glues in case you have to do this again. And you might need a little isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue on the leatherette. We're going to use 99%, but something as low as 70 should work okay. And of course, a clear workspace with good lighting. Now that you have your tools, let's get started. Begin by carefully lifting up on the leatherette with your screwdriver. If it seems tight, apply a little of the alcohol and let it soak for about a minute. Continue lifting up on the leatherette until you see the small access hole at about the 2 o'clock position of the lens mount. Bend the paperclip as shown. Turn the lens lock ring counterclockwise until it stops. Slide the paperclip into the hole towards the lens mount. You only need to go about 3/4 of an inch in to release the lock. You'll know when you found the right spot because the lens lock will turn fully counterclockwise and the lens can now be removed. We made that look really easy. In reality, it might prove a little bit of a challenge to find the right spot. With the lens off, let's take a closer look at what is happening. The lock itself is actually this small tab. Yes, that small piece is what's keeping you from turning the ring. What you're trying to do is push that tab inward toward the lens opening to allow the lock ring to rotate. We need to glue the leatherette back down. We use a small, thin coating of Pliobond. Let it dry for 30 seconds, then hold it down while applying pressure for about a minute. And that's it. It's hard to believe that such a small part can cause such frustration, but with the right tools and patience, it's a very simple fix. If this video helped you out in any way, let us know. Drop a comment below and give it a like. If you're still having issues, let us know anyway. We'd like to help. Maybe we can get you steered in the right direction. If you want to see other Mamiya related videos or analog camera equipment, consider subscribing. We're a father and son team with over 40 years of experience servicing Mamiya and other professional cameras. We have the knowledge and the resources, including original Mamiya parts and factory test equipment to service all Mamiya cameras. Hope to see you next time. And until then, we are Bill Rogers Camera.